All across the world, different cuisines call for different ingredients, recipes and techniques. And one such technique that is cherished and celebrated worldwide is barbecuing. A barbecue is a much looked forward to activity to enjoy great food and good company. And adding spice to this experience is the White Leaf Anywhere Barbecue and Grill Kit. At White Leaf, our barbecue and grill kit is designed to bring back the joy of cooking and perfect partner for your cozy party. The barbecue kit consists of coconut shell charcoal briquettes, holding pan, mesh, stand, bamboo squares, tongs, fire lighter and matchbox. The charcoals produce 600 to 700 degree heat to cook meat and veggies. What's more, the kit is also environmental friendly and 100% recyclable. So, what are you waiting for? Get set for a memorable experience of fun, food and flavors with your family and friends. And White Leaf Barbecue and Grill Kit.